So, welcome back to our series of videos on TI Browser. In the last video, what we did was we got the mobile runtime, mobile preview client up and running. We are able to enter our gallery code, demo_video, hit view gallery, and then what we could see what it was doing is pulling down this XML file and rendering it as a mobile UI. Then what we could also see is when we hit, this hello world table view row, it intercepted the event, processed it, and then pulled down this hello world XML file and then rendered that. So I just wanted to get into that a little more detail because, like I said, TI Browser pulls down XML, renders it as a mobile UI, but there's still a lot of interactivity that is available. So let's look at this a little more closely. Some of the key attributes on this element are PBURL for postback URL, handle events. This indicates which events that we're going to be listening for, and the postback method, which is get. Title, that just shows the title of the table view row, has child, that is set to true, so the child chevron shows up, and just set data, which indicates, all right, I've this is the last row of the table view, and so to render the rows into the table view. So in a nutshell, what that's doing is saying, all right, when you see the click event on this table view row, then you need to do a get to the portal, and the app root kind of indicates where within your portal account you want the get to kind of occur. So right now, since we're just working in our root directory still, app root is just, blank. So what it's going to do is when it sees this click event, it's going to do a get off the hello world, XML file, which is in the same directory as the index.xml. So what we can do is take a look at this hello world. So then when we hit hello world, it does the get and pulls down this file that you're seeing in front of you, uses this XML and renders this display, this UI. So again, just to kind of prove that it's dynamically happening, we can put in a bunch of Ds on hello world, come back here, hit hello world, and it reloads, and showing that it's truly very dynamic. Nothing's baked into the mobile app, nothing's hard coded. And that's just, a really quick intro on how some of the events are handled with TI Browser. In the next video, we're going to show how you can set up some samples just to kind of give you a way to look at some a little more involved TI Browser UI demos and just see how all this stuff's done. So see you on the next video.